Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can download Google Store Play apps on your PC. Now, there's a couple of methods you can do to go about this. The first one that might be the most obvious is that you can download an Android emulator. An example of this is BlueStacks, and you can do that if you'd like. But recently, Microsoft and Windows has been starting to support Android apps natively on PC. And the way you can do this is by searching Google Play Store, right? And then you go on the upper link here on Android apps on Google Play. Just click on it, and you'll see these are the apps that's supported on PC, right? So for example, here I want to install Clash Royale on my PC. So Clash Royale, something like this, right? Just click on this to install on Windows, and then open Google Play Games. If you haven't got Google Play Store installed, I'm pretty sure every new PC or every new Windows operating system have this pre-installed. But if you don't have it installed, you'll see if I go on install on Windows here and I click on cancel, you'll say install Clash Royale Google Play Games beta.exe. You can just save this and then run .exe. But I already have it installed, and this is what it look like, right? And then if I want to play, I'll just click play. Now you see it says get ready to play. If you enjoyed this video, please consider liking and subscribing.